Hello and welcome back to another exciting video on quantitative research from our research series. This video is specifically designed for beginners to help you understand the basics of quantitative research in a simple and clear way. Stay tuned as we dive into the fundamental concepts, steps, and examples to get you started on your research journey. Quantitative research is a systematic investigation that primarily focuses on quantifying relationships, behaviors, and variables. It involves collecting and analyzing numerical data to uncover patterns, test hypotheses, and draw conclusions. This type of research uses structured tools like surveys, experiments, and statistical analysis to achieve objective results. Key characteristics of quantitative research are: structured approach. It uses predetermined methods like questionnaires and structured observations. Statistical analysis. IT analyzes numerical data using statistical techniques like regression, correlation, or hypothesis testing. Objective results. IT focuses on achieving unbiased and generalizable outcomes. Example of quantitative research. Research question: does increasing study hours improve students' exam scores? Method: a survey is conducted asking 100 students how many hours they studied per week and their corresponding exam scores. Analysis: a correlation analysis is performed to see if there is a statistical relationship between study hours and exam scores. Result: the analysis shows a positive correlation, indicating that more study hours are linked to higher exam scores. Now, a question arises: what are the basic steps for conducting quantitative research? Details of the steps are: Step 1. Define the research problem. Clearly state what you aim to study or explore. Identify your research questions or hypotheses. Example: does customer service quality affect customer satisfaction in retail? Step 2. Literature review. Review existing research to understand the context and identify gaps. This will help refine your research objectives and methodology. Step 3. Formulate hypotheses. Develop a testable statement predicting the relationship between variables. Example: better customer service quality leads to higher customer satisfaction. Step 4. Choose the research design. Select a suitable design such as a survey, experiment, or correlational study. Example: choose a survey method to collect customer feedback on service quality and satisfaction. Step 5. Identify the variables. Determine the independent variable, example customer service quality, and dependent variable, example customer satisfaction. Step 6. Data collection. Develop a structured instrument like a questionnaire with closed-ended questions or use existing data sets. Example: distribute an online survey to 200 customers. Step 7. Sampling. Decide on a sample size and sampling technique, random, stratified, etc., to ensure your sample is representative. Step 8. Data analysis. Use statistical tools, example SPSS, R, to analyze the collected data. Example: conduct a regression analysis to test if service quality predicts satisfaction. Step 9. Interpret results. Draw conclusions based on statistical findings. Confirm if the hypotheses are supported or not. Step 10. Report findings. Write and present the findings in a clear, structured format, including charts, graphs, and statistical details. The Research Onion, developed by Saunders et al. 2016, is a framework that illustrates different layers or stages of the research process. When conducting quantitative research, specific layers of the Research Onion become relevant. Let's go through these layers step by step. 1. Research philosophy. Positivism. Typically aligned with quantitative research, it focuses on objective reality and aims to test hypotheses with observable data. Post-positivism, recognizes some subjectivity but still emphasizes measurement and testing. 2 approaches to theory development. Deductive approach. Quantitative research often follows a deductive approach, where a theory is tested using hypotheses derived from existing knowledge. 3. Research strategy. Survey, the most common quantitative strategy, involving questionnaires or structured interviews to collect data. Experiment, a strategy for testing causal relationships between variables using control and treatment groups. 4. Research choices. Mono method. In quantitative research, a single method, example surveys, is often used. Multi-method, sometimes, 2 or more quantitative techniques, example surveys and experiments, are combined. 5. Time horizon. Cross-sectional, data is collected at a single point in time. Longitudinal, data is collected over a period to observe changes or developments. 6. Techniques and procedures. Data collection, structured questionnaires, scales, or secondary datasets are common. Data analysis, statistical tools like regression, correlation, or hypothesis testing are used to analyze numerical data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SkillBuzz for more exciting insights. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you in the next video. Feel free to tweak it to match your style. Smiling face with